Well, hello and welcome back, and thank you for coming back. Today, well, we're climbing the snake, watching Grisevia LaBeouf, the most beautiful woman in the world.
Hello everybody! How nice to see you again and again, especially today. It's raining!
There we are, happy LaBeouf. It's been piddling down with rain in downtown Paphos today. Mr. Ian, we apologise, and we apologise again and again and again. He's complaining about the rain.
We haven't ordered it.
Well, he arrived yesterday and today it's piddled down.
Woo!
There we are. And the
matter.
lights have lit up for us.
It doesn't matter. It's going to be sunshine tomorrow. I promise. It's Cyprus.
Yes. Have a look at that for a view. Truly spectacular view. We're at the top of the snake. We're at the Anastasia Beach Bar in downtown Paphos, and have a look at that for a view. There's that nice bit of chopsiness in the sea. There's those last golden rays in the sky of the sunshine. That's the beautiful Paphos harbour in the very distance. Coming round to the promenade, Hotel Coastal Pathway, and there's watching Grisevia LaBeouf dancing and dancing. And I think this staircase is going to fall down, Grisevia LaBeouf. Shall we follow your rear end and see where you'd like to take us? There we go. So this is the snake, and now we are transcending down to the lower floor of the Anastasia Beach Club and Bar, which is reminiscent of a ship. Watching Grisevia LaBeouf, it's an awful lot of wiggling and an awful lot of dancing. As you can see, she's in a very good mood. The weather has changed. She's got her dancing shoes on tonight, that's for sure. That's the Amarvi 5-star luxury hotel in the distance. Shall we go down again? And we'll follow your rear end. There we are. So there is a lower level in this bar. As you can see, it's closed today because it is an open air beach bar. Although it does have an internal restaurant which is open in the summertime. But of course now, well, we've entered the winter time, shall we say. But only prematurely. We promise you that tomorrow the sun will shine. There's the downstairs restaurant, as you can see. A very nice looking restaurant indeed. And that is getting ready to open because there are staff in there. And here's the open air. Have a look at that. And of course that down there is the sandy beach. There's watching Grisevia LaBeouf having a look out into the abyss. No, they are warning. No, they're not people. They're little boys. They're called boys, and they're bobbing around in the water over there. Just watching Grisevia LaBeouf. Thought they were people, but they're not. But have a look at that. A truly exceptional view out there. A great view. Let's go that way, Grisevia LaBeouf, and show you this rather nice sandy beach. Yes, Grisevia?
How wavy it is today.
Chopsy today. A little bit chopsy it is today indeed. There we are. Grisevia LaBeouf is off again. She's dancing the early evening away like a 3-year-old child because the sunshine's gone, the rain has arrived in downtown Paphos. Now we've got some wall walking. There we are. There you go. It doesn't get much better than that. There you are, just in the rear end. Now, this is the sandy beach to the rear of that work of art. That is the Anastasia Beach Club and Bar, reminiscent of a cruise ship. And of course, that's the blue Mediterranean Sea. And that is the sunbathing deck. That's where all the sun lounges and the sun umbrellas are. There are changing rooms and toilets and that kind of thing over there. But as you can see, it's quite dark. That's the Amarvi 5-star luxury hotel over there. And of course, that over there is the great view out into the blue Mediterranean Sea. And that is the rear end of watching Grisevia LaBeouf dancing away down the beach. So let's catch up with her. Let's catch that last glimpse of the sun before it transcends off to Cato, Australia. We've got a little bit of butt wiggling. And there's the most beautiful woman in the world dancing.
You know why I'm so happy? Just for you to understand, 364 days a year we've got sunshine. And only one day, it's such a day, a cloudy day, which for me is very bright day. This is something that we miss, and something that you miss, you always want. Look there.
Right, Grisevia LaBeouf has not understood that we're rapidly running out of light. We need to get up that way. That's the beach bar, that's what she's pointing to. That's all lit up in lights. That's the Amalfi 5-star hotel. That's all lit up in lights. So let's get up there and see if we can get some light into the light sensor on the camera, and then we can capture Gusevia the Booth's rear end running up there for dear life. There she is. So if you're wondering what time of year it is, well, we're at the very, very end of the first week of November. The second week has just started. And the rains, well, they've graced Paphos today, shall we say. But we have been assured that tomorrow, only light showers and then the sunshine will return. So if you're looking for that place to come for that bit of winter sun, Paphos could be that place for you. There she is again. And as you can see, well, I'm British. I'm still in a short sleeve t-shirt because, well, it's about 18 degrees if you're wondering. We've got a Gumbaru number 1 sitting down there.
Oh,
he's thinking, anything to eat?
Hello. Hi.
He says the rain's gone now, it's time for my dinner.
He's wet.
Right, and there's another Gumbaru just sitting under there. He's
More clever, eh?
he's more clever, that one. There
Look
we are.
how beautiful.
Beautiful hotel. Beautiful hotel. Look at that. The Amalfi 5-star luxury resort built on the promenade of downtown Paphos. That's its view. Have a look at that. Just imagine enjoying your holiday there in the luxury. It's got everything you could possibly want. Spa, gymnasium, indoor pool, outdoor pool. The rear end of watching Gusevia the Booth. And she's found a book.
What a shame.
Never mind, someone forgot their book.
The book been forgotten.
Never mind.
In the safe box. But in the morning, this book is not gonna worth anything.
Well,
because
never mind.
What is this? Is it any detective? Can you read for me? I'm
It
blind.
says Malcolm X. Pop it back in there now. Right, we're going to go that way and see if we can capture a little bit of light. Otherwise, well, we'll have to call it a night. That's the blue Mediterranean Sea. It's a licking and lapping. In fact, it's a little bit crashy today on the shoreline of downtown Paphos. Truly, truly spectacular place to be. Nice sandy beach down there. We're now rapidly approaching along the coastal pathway here, the area known as the Deck. This is a restaurant bar with a spectacular view out across the blue Mediterranean Sea. And anybody who knows where that is understands that just after that, well, one of the greatest hotels in downtown Paphos, and that hotel is the Alexander the Great. So stick with us, we're going to get there very, very shortly. That's a hotel popular with an awful lot of people, obviously, but 3 of our favourite girls come every year and stay there. Oh so sweet Caroline, which brings along big guns, obviously, Mr. Nigel with her. We've got Miss Anne, or Dame Anne as we promoted her, and then she comes and meets up with one of her friends, Fiona. And a lot of people have great times in that hotel because they understand it's a luxury 4-star hotel with a great view out across the blue Mediterranean Sea. Have a look at that for a view. Rapidly running out of light, as you can see, but sometimes if you see it at night time you understand just how beautiful downtown Paphos is. In the distance, the harbour, the promenade, and the waves slowly coming in. It is beautiful, truly spectacular. So we're now coming into focus, the rear of the Alexander the Great Hotel on a winter's evening in mid-November on a rainy, chilly night. But as I said, the temperature's still around about 18 degrees. So if you're somewhere in the northern hemisphere, obviously that's pretty warm. And there's an awful lot of people got on the big bird or in a canoe and they paddle like crazy. And they are in downtown Paphos and they're having a great holiday indeed. Well, that's the view. The rear of the Alexander the Great Hotel. It doesn't get much better than that, that's for sure. Truly exceptional view. And that's that sun setting out there, Miss Dame Anne Bell. That's the view you dream of from your top bedroom window. And that is the ocean, licking and lapping the coastline of downtown Paphos. A truly exceptional view. Back to the harbour, back to the promenade, and back to Miss watching Gusevia the Booth.
You know
could be that
I
time.
really think that this beach is the most sunniest beaches on this area around, because it's a sun everywhere, and I believe that in the entrance to the water it's also sunny. And I would like to tell you many thanks for watching. We are loving you to bits, and please don't forget to come and see another of our madnesses. Many kisses and bye-bye.
What's left for me to say is thanks for watching, and of course if you like what you see, hit the like, click subscribe. I'll just grab this monument and take it with me. Hit the like, click subscribe. Please come back for a little bit more of our madness. We are deep in the winter season, so we are desperately looking for some likes. Get down there, go see Liverpool, and give us the good goodbye. Down you get, down you get.
The problem was
No,
the
there's not enough light. Get back, get back. Get back a bit more.
The monument was very heavy.
Get back.
Hey, I'm not
She
at
doesn't
work.
understand.
I'm not at work.
That's it. Cover the light with your jumper. Why not? Right.
I would like to
That's
tell
it.
you many thanks, and bye-bye.
Thanks for watching.